Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for a link to my Amazon store where I've compiled some of the very best items available, including some of my own personal recommendations. Thanks! What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. No idea what's in this package. It was sent by somebody named Mike, so we're going to find out together. Thank you so much to all my generous patrons who are supporting me during this time. Really means the world to me. If you'd like to check out my Patreon, get your hands on some stickers and some other exclusive benefits, take a look at that link and have a look around. Let's go ahead and cut this bad boy open using the Spyderco PM2 today. Of course, you can find the Spyderco PM2 along with many other Spydercos in the Spyderco section of my Amazon store that I referenced at the beginning of the video, along with a whole bunch of other really fun stuff. Okay, what do we have? We have a pouch, and we have a box, and we have another pouch, and another pouch. Okay, interesting. We also have a note. Fantastic. I love it when people send notes. Let's see here. This has a lot of information on what the actual knives are. So I will read that off camera so as not to ruin the suspense. Even though the knives, what they actually are in the thumbnail, or at least one of them is. Depends on how I do the thumbnail. Anyways, thanks so much, Mike. I appreciate that. Let's go ahead and let's do the Kershaw first. Ooh, yeah, okay. Oh, yes. Yes, this is the 20 CV bare knuckle. Okay, fantastic. So I really wanted to take a look at this because I have a feeling that my take on point of diminishing returns for U.S. production knives might be changing soon. I need to reevaluate the bare knuckle, but this is, I mean, you guys will have links down there if they're available. I don't know if this particular one will be available, but the bare knuckle is a fantastic knife. I've reviewed it before. This particular version is black aluminum, 20 CV, and of course made in the United States. That is a wonderful, wonderful knife. Let's go ahead and open up the ZT pouch. Not necessarily, oh my goodness. Now wait a second. Why was not, this is the 0777 in, this is obviously a laminate, but is this, oh, it says Vanex 35 and it's laminated with Damascus? Okay, so obviously some research is going to need to be done on this guy. Wow. Wow. I was unaware of this. This is beautiful. Holy cow. Maybe that one will be in the thumbnail. You guys already know. Let's go ahead and open up this one. Interesting. Now, this seems like something... Why does this knife seem so familiar? How do you... Okay, so there's how you... Oh, man. Listen to the noise. Listen to this. And then listen to how it kicks back down into place. Oh my gosh. What on earth? Well, obviously the note's going to have it on there. Let me go ahead and take a look at the note here. Let's see. Well, in any case, we will go over it in the review. And then the last one here, I believe, is another whippersnapper, but this is a prototype, which will be fantastic when I actually do the whippersnapper video. Of course, you guys know I've got another one, so this will be fun. Take a look at the milling patterns on here. That is wonderful. It feels very similar to the whippersnapper I've got from Jeff. Yeah, just a different blade shape. Very, very cool. So guys, we have some beautiful knives that have been unboxed here today. I am very excited about all of these. I think these will all provide very interesting content for everybody. Again, Mike, thanks so much for sending wonderful, beautiful knives. I just realized, obviously, the the overall shape between those two knives is very, very similar. Anyways, guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's unboxing. If you are not subscribed to my channel and you're watching this video, feel free to subscribe because I upload every single day, sometimes twice a day, and here lately, every now and then I've uploaded 3 times a day, which is kind of crazy, but we're making it work. So if you like knife content and you like a lot of knife content, there's definitely a lot here. So this might be the place for you. Make sure that if you are subscribed to turn your notifications on. And of course, as usual, I'd love to hear from you down in the comment section. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like. So check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on this metal complex logo right here and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.